Hi, I'm Michael Mangelli from MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm standing on the all-new 2019 270 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. Great features on this boat. One of the most popular boats we sell in all of Florida. This boat features a swim patio door. Great, drops down. Ladder will hook up and fasten to the side. Great to get in and out of the boat. This boat features a large casting area aft, rod holders all along the back. And then for your guests and cruising, you've got a great back seat here. Plenty of storage here. Cup holders on each side. This boat features a freshwater washdown. This particular boat is outfitted with a freshwater sink and live well. Your Yeti cooler storage down here. And over here at the helm, you've got twin bolstered seats. Great layout here, very comfortable. Spot for your feet in terms of footrests. Plenty of place for your electronics. Standard Fusion stereo. This boat features a single 350 as opposed to twin engines, which is standard. So this boat has single engine boat, power steering. This boat features underneath the hardtop is a new model, or a new feature this year is the underside color that matches the hull color. So this boat has a light blue hull. Really cool option. As you move forward, you'll see plenty of space here at the bow. Again, cushions are now taken off, but plenty of storage all the way around here, and backrests on both sides. Easily access your windlass anchor. This particular boat does not have the windlass anchor, but it's got a front boarding ladder. You can get it either way. Spot here for your table. Slides in, slides out. And this huge lounger here forward the helm, with armrests, cup holders on each side. Very popular place to sit on the boat, which also conveniently offers much needed storage on this boat. So this has been a brief walkthrough of our single engine 350 270 Dauntless from Boston Whaler here in Sarasota. Give us a call if you have interest in this boat, 941-388-4411.